This is how to set the clock on your Volkswagen Caddy. It's going to do the one in the dash and the one on the radio at the same time. I've got other Volkswagen videos, but this is a slight difference. This time we've got a clock symbol and the two squares, and we're going to use the 00 set button. We're going to start with the screen, the display on the temperature. Simple, press the clock button and all of a sudden you can see the hour flashing. So you just press the other one till it comes around to the right one, and then press it again, moves over to the minutes. If you press and hold, it goes through a little bit quicker, or you can do it manually like that, and then press that. It comes up with your AdBlue menu, distance to servicing, distance to empty, back to the temperature, and at the same time we've reset the radio. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.